Right, so the Maurice's Black Market vending machine is on Pyre of the Stars, and it's on the map right here. Just go over here. You don't actually need to go around, you can just rocket jump if you want. You can do that. It can no joke save you like 2 minutes, even more maybe, if you rocket jump. So yeah, if you rocket jump over here, you can get there early. Actually, can you? Yeah, you can. So it's actually pretty not far, and the anointed enemies are popping. One enemy left. And it's right here. And inside is the Pat MK3 Tri-Bolt Recharge Burner. Pretty bad, to be honest.